Right now, we can see the lip corners are not quite right. You can see a little swelling here, but I can say this is not working out. So let's have a look how the lip corners looks like. And that's a female lip, but still the lip has a certain volume. The corner, just like this one, how the skin flow goes. And if you look the lip at from the top, this definitely doesn't go like this. If I have to tell a reference, let's try drawing it. So this should come somewhere here. This thing is totally going a bit further. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reshape the lip, especially the corner. What I'm going to use most is Control Shift when I'm using moving the vertex and sliding. What I need to do is take the loops as close as possible to get more defined shape. All that I need here, and just fix the rest of the loops, but it won't change the volume but I mentioned earlier. So we need to fix the volume manually, which is still going outside. Let's get inside. The good thing is we don't have the entire mouth cavity, which increases a lot of work. It's hard to see when the cavity is built, so it's good to fix everything as quick as possible. So let's select this corner. I'll use the soft selection B and middle mouse, and let's have a look. Let's press 3 smooth and pull it inside. This should do. Just by doing this much, you will start seeing the lip corner is improving. Let's take a little bit upward. And let's start building this lip. If I go to the front camera, to resume, we need to do it backslash and move, press 4. We need to have a little here. Let's press 5, Alt 2, and it will go a little bit more. Let's see from the both side. Yes, so now we got the length right. Now it disturbed again. What we need to do? Push it inside. Stretch a little. Now we are getting the right length. The lip were a little smaller earlier. Let's push them inside. Now we'll work with the shape. We can see the lower lip is going bit out. So we need to keep that in shape. You have to get into the critical angles to find the problem. With the right angle, the right view, you can get things better. If you won't get to the right angle, you won't be able to fix it. You can see now a little dent here. That's okay. With the right angle, we can see, right? See, this loop is going inside. We can see from this angle. We just need to fix it from that angle. This loop is going flat, but this is going upward. So this is not matching with the entire surface. We need to match each and every loop flow. A bit tough task in the starting, but you'll get used to it. This is how we make everything: headphone, hard surface, organic bags better now. Still a very minor. Let me save the model. It's been a while. Okay, let's get back to what we were doing. Let's have a look. The lips look definitely better, but still we don't have this arc, which it should be going right after this inside. Our lip is still going straight. This needs to go inside from here. Once I make the change, you'll understand what I'm talking about. So let's take these two loops and convert into the control right click face selection. Do a one grow selection, control right click, and this will do. Isolate this part and we'll start from working from here. This is the corner of the lips where it move inside. Right from here, it starts going backward. So this is where a thick wall creates. This is the starting of our wall. Now we'll think about what kind of wall I'm talking about. The skin wall, the one our cheeks are. The cavity area you can also tell. So slowly created a minor arc here where everything gets inside, and this will become our corner point. Let it go inside. That's fine. Now we also have a gap for the rest of the loop to fill in. Well, almost there. Now you can see this has gone from flat to a bit of thick depth. Gives you a feeling of real lips. You need to do the same with the rest of the lip. I'll just take the selection, isolate. What we need to do, we just need to pull them inside. That's it, and this will do the job. A little depth in the lips. Further on, we will be creating the cavity area, which will do the rest. This still has a little going out thing. Now it's easy to manage. We got the rest of the art right, but most of us is not doing this right. I see a lot of problem in this. Okay. Another thing, make sure your loop goes right through the corner. Don't connect it. When we will open the mouth, there will be a huge problem. So make sure your loops are not connected at all. They need to be very straight going inside. The only 5 point we'll see here and here and here. No 5 point inside the mouth. Not even close to the lip area. Make sure. All the loop must go inside. We will see later in the blend shape exercises. Pretty much straight. I'll say this will do for now, and we'll move to the next video.